Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to go over how to save your files or documents or pictures, videos, whatever you have on your computer to Google Drive. I know I touched on my previous video how to save your files and documents and all that to physical storage, flash drive and external hard drive. This video is going to show you how to save to cloud storage, Google Drive, so you don't need physical media. Now Google Drive goes with you anywhere that you're signed in with your Gmail account. So it's very important that if you're on a public computer that you sign out of your Gmail account after you do what you need to do. So before we get started, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel tremendously, and I appreciate all the love you guys have been given. So first thing that you want to do is sign into your Gmail account if you haven't done so already. I'm already signed in, so sign in if you haven't signed in. Once you're signed in, click on the Google Apps square at the top right hand corner. From here, this little menu pops up with all these icons. You're going to click on the Drive button, the one with the green, yellow, and blue icon. Alright, so now you're in your Drive. It should be empty. If not, this can be just a refresher for people. Once you're in your Drive, to save things, what you want to do is click on the word New with the plus symbol. You could do one of two things now. You can make a folder, create a new folder, and just name it Stuff, or whatever you want to name it. This is a good way to be organized with your stuff. You know, you could just save everything to your Drive and just have it, everywhere and just kind of next to each other. Or you can make folders, math stuff, English stuff, or name it anything you want, just to keep yourself organized. I like folders, me personally, because it keeps my stuff organized. So I'm just going to make a folder called Stuff. Okay, so from here, if you have a folder, double click it. And now you can save things in this specific folder. So now, if you made a folder and you double clicked it, click on New, and then click on File Upload. This Windows Explorer window pops up, and it shows all the folders you have on your computer. Your desktop, your downloads, your documents, your pictures, your videos. So if you click on your desktop, it shows all the things you have on your desktop. If you click on Downloads, it shows all the things that you downloaded. If you click on Documents, it shows all the documents that you have as well. Pictures, same thing. So to save a file, a picture, a video, click on the folder that you would want to go to and click on one of the files. So for me, I went to the picture folder. I'm going to click on a picture. As you can see, it's highlighted, and just click on Open. It's going to say uploading one item, and it put it right there in my Stuff folder. Now it was a picture, it wasn't a huge file, so it didn't take that long. Your files may be bigger, so it may take longer to upload. Majority of the time, you shouldn't have a problem. It should be under a minute. So if I go back to my Drive and I see the Stuff folder, if I double click it, here's that picture we just uploaded. Now, if I go back to my Drive folder and say if I didn't want to put stuff in folders, I just wanted them out in the open, just click on New, do File Upload, pick the folder that you want to grab your files from. I'm going to go to Videos this time, and I'm going to grab one of the videos I did, and I'm just going to hit Open. Now this is less than a minute left. It was obviously bigger than the picture I just uploaded, but as you can see, it's going pretty fast. It should be uploading soon here. Yeah, so there. So I uploaded the video, and it's just out in the open. I didn't put it in any folders. So yeah, that's how you save anything you want to Google Drive. Over here, you obviously have My Drive. You have Share With Me. So if someone had your email address, your Gmail, they could share files with you. So that's always an option. You have recent, you have starred, and you have trash. You can, obviously, if you right click any file that you want to get rid of, just hit remove and it'll put it in the trash. Another thing you could do now, I want to touch on this, how to share, if you wanted to share a file with somebody and you had their email address. So if I go into my stuff folder and I right click this picture, I'm going to click on share. If you had someone's email, you just do, type it in, and then you can add a note. Here is a picture, and hit send. Now that person will get the photo that you shared with them. But you can do that with anything. Pictures, the documents that you uploaded, the videos, anything that you want to do. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That was just a quick rundown how to save to Google Drive. If you have any questions, just comment down below. This is just the very bare bones, basic how to upload. So, hope it helped. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.